quadratic equation. This is called quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. What is distinguished between two equations? The highest power is 1, here the highest power is 2. So it is linear equation and it is quadratic equation. Now this chapter we discuss about a quadratic equation. Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. X square plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. Standard form of a standard form. Of quadratic equation. Because here is ax squared, its highest power is 2, bx highest power is 1 and c is a constant. This is quadratic equation of what you call it? The standard form of a quadratic equation. This is standard form of a quadratic equation means x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now 2x squared, for example, 2x squared plus 3x plus 7 equals to 0. Here 2x squared plus 3x plus 7 equals to 0. This is standard form of a quadratic equation. Here look, compare the standard form x squared plus bx plus c with compare this 2x squared plus 3x plus 7. Now the coefficient of a x squared, a equals to 2, comparing b equals to 3 and c equals to 7. ইয়াত আমি কি দেখা পালো 2x squared plus 3x plus 7 equals to 0. এই ইকুয়েশনটো যদি x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 লগত তুলনা কৰা হয় তেন্তে x squared হহক এর হলনি আমি 2 পাম, x ৰ হহক b ৰ হলনি আমি 3 পাম আৰু কনস্ট্যান্ট ধ্ৰুবক কনস্ট্যান্ট টার্মটোৰ আমি 7 পাম. The 2x squared plus 3x plus 7 equals to 0. This equation compare with standard equation x squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. We get a equals to 2, b equals to 3, c equals to 7. Now, from exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. Check whether the following are quadratic equation. Check whether following are quadratic equation. Now, first x plus 1 whole square equals to 2x minus 3. Now x square. Solution. X plus 1 whole square equals to 2x minus 3. Now from this identity 1 we get at class 9, from class 9, a plus b whole square formula, a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now break this x whole square 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square equal to 2x minus 6. Now x square plus 2x plus 1 equals to 2x minus 6. 2x cancel. X square plus 1 plus 6 equals to 0. X square plus 7 equals to 0. This is quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation. This is correct. Why? Because the highest power of this variable is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. Next. Number 2, x square minus 2x equals to minus 2, 3 minus x. X square minus 2x minus minus plus minus minus. Solution. Minus 6 plus 2x. X square minus 2x minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0. X square minus 4x plus 6 equals to 0. Here x square minus 4x plus 6. Here have the highest power is 2, so it is a quadratic equation. So it is quadratic equation. This quadratic equation. For homework, number 1, x minus 2, x plus 1. X minus 1 and x plus 3. X minus 3, 2x equal to x plus 5. 3 x squared plus 3x plus 1 x minus 2 whole square. Okay. Now next portion of what equation is find exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. Find the root of the following quadratic equation. Find the root of the following quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Find the root of the following quadratic. That means the root. Root means they are at the value of x. This is called root of the equation. Here have a quadratic equation have a two roots because their highest power is 2. So they are having the value of x is 2. The value of variable of 2 values. Then in linear equation they have a one solution because the highest power is 1. Look, here is x squared minus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. Equation number 1. At first, the coefficient of x squared is 1 and its constant term is 10. Now, x squared minus, we find the value all the factor of 10. At first, we multiply the coefficient of x squared is 1 and constant term is 10. Now 10 and the 10. All the factor of 10. That means 1 into 10 and 2 into 5. Here is the sign against the constant term is minus. So put here is minus. If here is a plus and we put here is plus. Now which two numbers we subtract each other, we get 3. 10 minus 1 we get 9. 5 minus 2 we get 3. 5 minus 2. X squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equals to 0. Now the factor x is common. X minus 5 plus 2 x minus 5 equals to 0. So x minus 5 x plus 2 equals to 0. X minus 5 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. X equals to 5 or x equals to minus 2. Required solution. Required solution. X equals to 5 and minus 2. No. Second question is question number 2. 2x squared plus x minus 6 equals to 0. Here is the coefficient of x squared is 2. We write here 2. And constant term is 6. 2, 6 are 12. Now we find all the factor of 12. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. 2x squared plus minus 6 equals to 0. Now, the sign against the constant term is minus. So we have put minus sign. Constant term or agot minus sign thokar karone ami yak minus to put kori. Etia now kun kita sankha which two number subtract each other we get 1. Kun kita number pra a kita factor pra kun kita minus korile kihor pra ki minus korile ami 1 pam. Why? Because the coefficient of x is 1. 12 pra 1 minus korile 12 minus 1 we get 11, but here not 11. 6 minus 2 we get 4. 6 pra 2 minus korile ki pam 4 ya 4 nai. 4 minus 3, from 4 minus 3 we get 1, have 1. So 4 minus 3. 2x squared plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equals to 0. Two x common, x plus 2 minus 3 common, x plus 2 equals to 0. 2x minus 3 and x plus 2 equals to 0. 2x minus 3 equals to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0. 2x equals to 3. X equals to 3 by 2 or x equals to minus 2. Therefore, required solution. Required solution. X equals to 3 by 2 and minus 2. Question number 3. So